Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland, until 11:15 p.m. At 9:47 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots over Cove Point Natural Gas Pier, moving east to 10 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Taylor's Island. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally, high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. This storm is producing frequent lightning. Stay below deck, if possible, and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
Harbor immediately until the storm passes. This storm is producing frequent lightning. Stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. For the following